Hey guys, Kitty here. As you can see, this is a video, and I was going upstairs to get something, and I heard a thunk on the window, and I was in the landing area, so I ran outside to see what it was, and it was a bird hit the window, and I couldn't make it in time to save it. So it died. We were there for its last moments. I left some bread there. No, it's dumb, but I just did it. And not sure if the not sure if the bird died from like its neck snapped, but just hope it has a good time. Whatever it is. And everybody ran outside to see what happened. I couldn't record the falling part because I gave the phone to Raven. But I didn't make it in time. Nobody did, and it's just really sad. My poor bird.